Hello students of standard 9. Let's begin an online session of social science. Myself Ms. Priyanka Malode. Today's topic is features of democracy. This is a subtopic of your lesson what is a democracy and why democracy. We have started with a simple definition of democracy. What is a democracy? It is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Yes. Now let's see the features of democracy. We will see in details also. First, major decision by elected members, elected leaders. Second, free and fair electoral competition. Third, one person, one vote, one value. And fourth, rule of law and respect for rights. So, see first. Major decision by elected leaders. Students, you know, in a democracy have three organs of government. First, legislature, executive and judiciary. In the constitution, the power of the legislature in India are exercised by the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha is considered to be the upper house or the council of state and consists of members appointed by the president and elected by the state legislature. In the Lok Sabha is considered the lower house or the house of the people, because in the Lok Sabha all the members, all the leaders elected by the peoples only. There are only the people's representative in the Lok Sabha. The complete judicial control review by the Supreme Court. Some exercise control over the executive. It means major decision taken by elected leaders only. Free and fair electoral competition. What is the free and fair electoral competition? It is that the situation by all the political parties have rights to contest election without any interference, and there is no misuse of government. Every person means every common person have to right to vote. It is only eligibility means he or she complete the age of 18 years old. To achieve this election, citizens have own choice of elect the own person for the fulfillment and fulfill their dreams, who has the complete their demands. It should be transparent, inclusive and accountable, and their most equality opportunity to complete in the election. Third one person, one vote, one value. Yes, is a slogan used for the political equality. This is a system of voting in which every person in a group, every vote is counted as equal value. At the time of vote, everyone in the country, irrespective of the caste, color, gender, greed, and income earned, is allowed to vote for his own representative for fulfill his dreams and demands. Students, you know what is it? That is the choice and opportunity is available to all the citizens on an equal basis without any discrimination. on the basis of no other caste, no other genders, and no any colors of your skin and anything, etc. Yes, students, this is the policy of one person, one vote, and one value. There is no discrimination, no misuse of the powers, and no interference of any political parties. So, should be followed in a democracy. Rule of law and respect for rights. Yes, every citizen of country abide by the law. You know, in our third organ means the judiciary. In the constitution that no person would violate the law, everyone should respect the law and follow it in the properly. We need to respect the law and rights in a democratic country because it helps us to make the country a better place. The law should be conserved and protected because the law helps everyone to go accordingly and get equal rights. Students, you know, everyone is equal in the eyes of law. We should respect it. One should not break, anyone of break the law and break the rule, he or she might get the served punishment. This is the time of assignment. So, solve the answer of the following question in your notebook. Major decision in a democracy must be taken by elected leaders. Justify the statement by giving two reasons and suitable example. Second one, write the features of democracy. So students, thank you and have a nice day.